Hello everyone, Carol here, and welcome to the Everspruce Home Inventory app channel. On this channel, we discuss home inventory and organization systems to help you overcome clutter and create a serene living space. Do you ever feel like you're drowning in clutter and no matter how much you clean, it keeps coming back? Well, you're not alone. Home organization can be a daunting task for many households. In a 4-part series video, my goal is to show you how to start organizing your home with the F.L.O.W system. This system is perfect for someone who is beginning their home organization journey, or for someone who is wanting to learn some new tips for an organizational system they already have in place. I have created the F.L.O.W system from moving home to home over the years. In each home, I have created a F.L.O.W that works for my family needs. In each room, I take time to think about how I and members of my family will flow through the space and think of the details that make it effortless to maintain. And you can do the same for your home. The F.L.O.W system consists of 4 elements: function, location, organization, and workflow. The F.L.O.W system is a crucial element to getting organized and maintaining a happy, calm, and flowing space with low maintenance. You need to start seeing that each space in your home has a function. A specific location needs organization and requires a certain workflow to make it work for you. Let's dive deeper into the first element of the F.L.O.W system, starting with function. Function refers to the purpose of each space in your home. For example, your lounge room is where you watch your favorite shows and movies and entertain guests. But have you ever thought about how little things, like a remote control placement, can impact the function of the space? Does it have a home where it always gets returned to after each use? Or how about coasters? Do you have a designated spot, a home for them, so that they don't create visual clutter and guests know where to return them after each use? By considering the function of each space in your home, you can begin to implement the function element of the F.L.O.W system that suits your needs and lifestyle, resulting in a more organized and efficient living space. The next element of the F.L.O.W system is L for location. Different locations serve different purposes and require different approaches to organization. For example, your entryway might be a place to drop off bags and coats and shoes when you come home. So you want to set up the specific location for success to avoid confusion and clutter. Make space for all the items that may come in and out of your entryway and think of all the details. Here in my entryway, it is very narrow and small, but I have set up a system that is clear and every member of my family knows how to use this location in our home. Coats, keys, shoes, incoming packages have a home. I even have scissors here to open packages when they come into our home. No wasting time looking for scissors. There is no maintenance here because it is clear where all these items belong. Different from your entryway, your kitchen is a space for cooking, gathering, and where family members come in to have a snack. Here in my kitchen, I have created an area for my husband's favorite items. He has an area where he has his favorite snacks and where he gets his tea throughout the day. It has everything he needs and stays clutter-free, which makes me very happy. By understanding the location's purpose, you can create a system that works for you and your needs. Now that you know what the F and the L is in the F.L.O.W system, time to move on to the third element of the F.L.O.W system. O for organization. It's all about creating a system for each space that minimizes clutter and maximizes functionality. By organizing your items in a way that creates more space and less clutter, you can reduce stress and save time to do things you enjoy. Do you have a lot of kitchen gadgets and pots that you don't use every day? Consider storing them away in a cabinet or drawer to free up some counter space. And if you struggle with laundry, try sorting out the clothes into different bins and baskets to make it easier to put them away. So in my daughter's room, we tried many laundry systems and a few were very unsuccessful, frustration on my part and her part. So here I'll show you what we finally created that works for her and me. So in her closet, I've created a 2-basket laundry system. One for dirty clothes and one for clean clothes. Clean clothes. Why would she need a basket for clean clothes? So a 15-year-old doesn't put away clean clothes right away. They need a basket to store clean clothes, and they want to choose when they want to fold it and put it away themselves. This system keeps her room tidy and clutter-free, which makes me happy and her happy. When you think about organization, find systems that work for you and your family. Now that you know what the F.L.O.W is in the F.L.O.W system, it's time to move on to the fourth and last element of the F.L.O.W system. W is for workflow. Workflow is all about creating a system for each space that minimizes clutter and maximizes functionality. It's all about understanding how you move through each space and creating a system that supports your daily routines. For example, when you come home from work, where do you put your keys and your coat? By creating a designated spot for these items, you can streamline your routine and save time by not having to go back to the location and pick up the items or try to find a place to put the items later. You have created a home for each item when you walk into the door. By using the workflow element, you won't wonder where you put your keys or coat anymore. I encourage you to implement the F.L.O.W system in all areas of your home, creating a harmonious living space that caters to your unique needs and preferences. A little effort goes a long way, and with patience and persistence, you can achieve the home of your dream. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to learn more about home organization, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and visit our blog at everspruceapp.com. See you in our next video.